In a library scenario, modeling a one-to-many relationship with a secondary index can be efficiently achieved using Amazon DynamoDB. Let's consider an example where we want to model the relationship between authors and their books, allowing us to query books by author. Entities. Author represents an author who has written one or more books. Book represents the book written by an author. Modeling the one-to-many relationship with a secondary index. Primary table, books. Partition key, PK book ID. Sort key, SK, not applicable. Attributes, title, ISBN, genre, publication year, etc. Secondary index, GSI by author. Partition key, PK author ID. Sort key, SK book ID. Use case. Each book is stored in the books table with book ID as the primary key. A global secondary index, GSI, is created on author ID to allow querying books by author efficiently. Querying books by author. To query books by author, we utilize the global secondary index, GSI, on author ID in the books table. We can perform a query operation on the GSI, specifying the author ID as the partition key to retrieve all books written by a specific author. Example queries. Query books by author ID. Plaintext. Copy code. Query GSI by author. Partition key, author ID, equals author 123. Benefits. Efficient querying. The GSI allows us to efficiently retrieve all books written by a specific author without the need for full table scans. Simplified data model. Using a secondary index avoids data duplication or denormalization, leading to a simpler data model. Flexibility. The GSI allows us to query books by author while maintaining the integrity of the data and avoiding redundancy. Considerations. Write amplification. Updates to the primary table, books, may result in additional writes to the secondary index, GSI, leading to increased write costs. Query efficiency. Ensure that the secondary index, GSI, is provisioned with sufficient read capacity to handle query traffic efficiently. Cost. Evaluate the cost implications of using a secondary index, considering factors like provisioned capacity and usage patterns. By modeling the one-to-many relationship with a secondary index, we can efficiently query books by author in a library scenario, providing flexibility and scalability for our application.